a river flowing with wind. A river called the Sleeping River of the Wind flowed through a quiet village. This river, with a gentle breeze, brought peace to the villagers. People gathered on the banks of this river and talked about their dreams every night. One day, a traveler visited the village. His name is Kanato. He was exhausted on the long journey. However, I was captivated by the beauty of the river where the wind sleeps and decided to stay in the village for a while. Kanato began to tell the villagers about his adventures. He has traveled to distant countries, met many people, and seen various landscapes. The villagers listened to his story and were excited about his adventure, and Kanato's narration became a pleasure every night. However, Kanato had a heavy secret in his heart. He was trying to forget his past by continuing to travel. However, through interaction with the villagers, his heart was gradually loosened. One night, at a sudden moment, Kanato listened to the voice of his heart while feeling the wind on the banks of the river. It's important to face each other without running away, I felt like the wind whispered. That night, Kanato made up his mind. He decided to talk about past events with the villagers. The sadness of losing his parents, and the fact that he continued to travel with it. The villagers listened gently and sympathized with his pain. When Kanato's story was over, the villagers hugged him as if to wrap him up. The words "let's be together, because we are here" warmed Kanato's heart. After that, Kanato stayed in the village and chose to live with the villagers while feeling the new wind. While holding on to the past, he was able to cherish the present and foster friendship. Then a gentle wind blew on the village again, and the river where the wind sleeps became a place to unite people's hearts. The story of Kanato was told by the villagers and gently enveloped people's hearts as if sadness melted into the wind. An end.